up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I have another Starbucks video for you. I'm so excited. I miss filming Starbucks videos. Your girl just has she's been a little broke, so that's why we kind of just haven't been posting Starbucks videos, but I found some cash and I have some gift cards, so love that for me. What is it? It sounds like someone. Okay, anyway, Starbucks came out with 3 new drinks. I already tried 2, and I believe by the time you're watching this, both of them are already posted. So I will leave them in like the cards right here, or like on this side. I don't know which side it is. I think it's this side, but I can't be sure. So if you guys want to go check out those drinks, they're the pineapple matcha drink and the golden ginger drink. And then for today's video, we're going to be trying the Nitro cold brew with salted honey cold foam, which sounds amazing. So I was like, I need to try it, and of course I'm not gonna try it without filming it for you guys. So if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below if you've tried it already, because it did come out yesterday, so like you probably got it before I did. Oh wait, it came out 2 days ago since you're watching this like a couple days later. But yeah, definitely tell me below if you tried it, what you thought about it. I would love to hear your opinions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and let's go to Starbucks. Okay guys, we've just made it to Starbucks. And I was wondering, because I know they said that they had the smaller size for the hot drinks. So I'm wondering, oh shit, it's my turn already.
Alright, sorry about that. What can I get for you?
No, you're good. Can I get the Nitro cold brew with salted honey cold foam?
There you go.
Thank you. You too. Okay guys, so here we have the drink. What I was saying before it was my turn is I was wondering if they had a size smaller than a tall, but then I realized it's actually a cold drink. I was thinking it was hot for some reason, but it's actually cold. I don't know why I was thinking it was hot. I was in the mood for a hot drink. Now I'm sad. It's okay. But it is the tall salted honey something cold brew Nitro new one. It's that one. But I'm kind of nervous, kind of excited, kind of upset that it's not hot, because that's what literally I had in my brain this whole time, that I was getting a hot drink. So now I'm kind of sad. Okay, but we're gonna go ahead and taste it. It's very salty. That's very, very salty. That is so salty. So obviously it tastes like coffee, because the coffee right here. This is so salty, like I can't even like it's like really salty. I'm kind of not living for it, kind of don't want to drink anymore, just because that is so salty. It kind of tastes like, you know that water you drink? Oh my god, my camera is shaking so bad. So you know that water you drink when your throat like hurts, so it's like warm. They tell you to drink like warm salt water. That's what it reminds me of. Warm salt water. This guy is hardcore staring me down right now. That's what it literally reminds me of. And obviously that's the foam what I'm talking about. This obviously tastes like coffee, but I'm not a fan. Totally would give it a like 1 out of 10. Not even joking, because it is so salty and gross, and it reminds me of warm salt water, which is disgusting. I thought it would be, like I said, I thought it was gonna be hot, so I'm sad. But I don't recommend. But if you like salt, then I guess I do recommend. I like salt, but I feel like this is just too much salt. Does that make sense? I don't know. It's just really salty and I didn't like it. So that's my opinion on it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you've tried it, because I want to know your opinion. I want to know how you thought it tasted, because that's what it tasted to me, and I want to hear what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.